has become a thriving industry in recent years, and ClickBank is one of the leading platforms in this field. With the right strategies and dedication, it's entirely possible to make a substantial income through ClickBank affiliate marketing. In this video, we'll explore the steps and techniques that can help you earn $15,000 per month through ClickBank. Choose the right niche. The first step to success in ClickBank affiliate marketing is selecting a niche that interests you and has a demand in the market. It's crucial to choose a niche you're passionate about, as it will keep you motivated in the long run. Additionally, research your chosen niche to ensure there's a target audience willing to spend money on products within that niche. Keyword research. Once you've chosen your niche, conduct thorough keyword research to identify high-converting keywords. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ahrefs can help you discover relevant keywords with good search volume and manageable competition. These keywords will be the foundation of your content. Create quality content. Content is king in affiliate marketing. Create high-quality, informative, and engaging content related to your niche. This can include blog posts, YouTube videos, podcasts, or social media posts. Make sure your content adds value to your audience and incorporates the affiliate products seamlessly. Build an email list. Building an email list is an essential part of ClickBank affiliate marketing. Offer valuable content in exchange for visitors' email addresses. This allows you to nurture leads and promote affiliate products to a warm audience over time. Use email marketing software like MailChimp or ConvertKit to manage your list and send targeted campaigns. Select high-converting products. Choose affiliate products from ClickBank's marketplace that have a proven track record of converting well. Look for products with high gravity scores, positive reviews, and good sales pages. It's also a good idea to purchase the product yourself to ensure its quality and relevance to your audience. Create a sales funnel. Develop a sales funnel that guides your audience from awareness to purchase. This might include a blog post or video to attract them, a lead magnet to capture their email, and a series of email follow-ups that lead to the affiliate product. Ensure each step of the funnel is optimized for conversions. Optimize for SEO. If you're using a blog or website as your primary platform, optimize it for search engines. This will help drive organic traffic to your content over time. Focus on on-page SEO techniques, including optimizing your content for your chosen keywords, using descriptive meta titles and descriptions, and building high-quality backlinks. Promote on social media. Leverage social media platforms to promote your affiliate products. Share your content, engage with your audience, and participate in relevant online communities and groups. Building a strong social media presence can significantly boost your affiliate marketing efforts. Track and analyze results. Use analytics tools like Google Analytics or ClickBank's reporting features to track the performance of your affiliate marketing campaigns. Monitor clicks, conversions, and revenue generated. Use this data to refine your strategies and focus on what's working best. Stay compliant. Compliance is crucial in affiliate marketing. Ensure that you adhere to both ClickBank's and your affiliate products' terms and conditions. Disclose your affiliate relationships transparently to your audience, and avoid any misleading or unethical practices.